Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend income projection formula for covering mortgage payments. Many people want their investments to help cover major monthly expenses, and one of the biggest expenses is usually the mortgage payment. Therefore, this model shows how to estimate the dividend portfolio needed to cover a monthly mortgage payment using dividend income. First, let's understand the goal. In this example, the monthly mortgage payment is $2,000. So, the aim is to build enough invested capital so dividend income may cover that $2,000 payment every month. This does not mean the result is guaranteed, but it gives a simple planning target. Next, we convert the monthly mortgage payment into an annual dividend need. The formula is annual dividend need equals monthly mortgage payment multiplied by 12. So, $2,000 multiplied by 12 equals $24,000 per year. This means the portfolio needs to generate around $24,000 per year in dividend income. After that, we calculate the required portfolio using dividend yield. The formula is required portfolio equals annual dividend need divided by dividend yield. For example, at a 3% dividend yield, $24,000 divided by 0.03 equals $800,000. At a 4% yield, $24,000 divided by 0.04 equals $600,000. At a 5% yield, the required portfolio becomes $480,000. And at a 6% yield, the required portfolio becomes $400,000. So, the quick projection is very clear. A lower yield needs a larger portfolio, while a higher yield needs a smaller portfolio. However, higher yield does not always mean better investment quality. That is why dividend safety, company strength, payout stability, and long-term sustainability should also be considered. Now, let's add compounding to the model. Portfolio growth may come from regular contributions, reinvested dividends, and compound returns. When dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares. Then those extra shares may produce more dividends in the future. Over time, this creates a compounding effect and helps the portfolio grow faster. For example, if someone invests $1,500 per month and earns an average annual return of 8%, the portfolio may grow to about $600,000 in roughly 17 years. As shown in the visual timeline, the portfolio starts from $0, grows to around $110,000 by year 5, reaches about $274,000 by year 10, grows to around $519,000 by year 15, and then reaches about $648,000 by year 17. At that point, the 4% yield target is reached near the $600,000 level. If the portfolio reaches about $600,000 and produces a 4% dividend yield, it may generate around $24,000 per year. That is equal to about $2,000 per month, which could potentially cover the monthly mortgage payment. In practical terms, this model helps investors connect a real-life expense with a clear portfolio target. Instead of only saying, "I want passive income," the investor can say, "I need $24,000 per year from dividends to cover my mortgage." This makes the financial goal more specific and easier to track. Moreover, there are several ways to reach the goal faster. Increasing monthly contributions can speed up portfolio growth. Reinvesting all dividends can strengthen compounding. Focusing on dividend growth and quality can support long-term income. Reducing unnecessary expenses can make more money available for investing. Also, increasing income over time can help you invest more consistently. Finally, remember that this example is for educational purposes only. Real dividend income can change because of dividend yields, taxes, fees, inflation, market risk, interest rates, and dividend cuts. So, always do your own research and consider speaking with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.